To be or not to be Mexican. Anyone want my enchilada? Sarita asked, picking up an enchilada with her fork and showing it to a group of our friends who are sitting with us in the cafeteria. I shake my head and take a bite of my burrito. When I look up again, everyone around me is laughing, but I don't get the joke. Sarita's enchilada just hangs limply over her fork, looking soggy in its coat of red sauce, like a big overcooked noodle. What's so funny about that? Sarita glances at me sideways, holds up a taco, and says, "How about a taco? Anyone want a taco?" Again, the table erupts in laughter. I look around. As usual, the freshman table is quiet, and the sophomores who sit behind us always look lost. But not us. No, we're juniors, and we're loud. Every day the cafeteria walls shake with our laughter. "Why are you talking like that?" I ask. "Like what? Like you?" Sarita smirks. She licks her index finger and strikes the air as if she just scored a point against me. "I don't talk like that," I protest. "Yes, you do," Mireya jumps in. "You talk like you're one of them." She spits out the word in disgust and looks down at her lunch tray, like she can't stand the sight of me. "One of them?" I ask. "Let me translate for you," Sarita sneers. "You talk like you want to be white." The girls around us aren't laughing so much anymore. Their eyes, they're all eyes now, hoping for a good fight. Mosquitas muertas, two-faced flies on the wall. "What?" Sarita asks. "You think you're Anglo now 'cause you're in drama? You think you're better than us?" "No." "Then stop trying to act so like them," Mireya says accusingly. "You're Mexican, just like the rest of us. Look around you. 99% of this school is Mexican. Stop trying to be something you're not." With that, both sisters picked up their trays and walked away. They don't even give me a chance to respond. The other girls follow them, a convoy of high-heeled hyenas in mass migration. Suddenly, I feel familiar arms around me and hear Victoria's voice in my ear. She must have seen what happened from her seat at the freshman table. "Don't listen to them, Manita," my sister whispers. "They're just jealous." "Jealous of what?" I ask. "I don't know. You're acting? Maybe they think you don't want to be part of their group anymore." "Just because of how I talk?" I ask heatedly. "What? Because I'm Mexican I'm supposed to speak with an accent? Should I wear a rebozo too?" I think of Abuela Inez wearing her embroidered white shawl wrapped around her head and draped over her shoulders everywhere she goes. Being Mexican means more than that. It means being there for each other. It's togetherness, like a familia. We should be helping one another, cheering our friends on, not trying to bring them down. Victoria holds me tight while I suck in my breath, stifling the urge to scream. "I'm not acting white," I want to shout after my so-called friends. "I couldn't be more Mexican if you stamped a cactus on my forehead."